Hello everyone. The stupid idiot said YouTube finally gave me my 10 subscriber play button. But they were too lazy to put it in a package. So I woke up to this paper on my bed. And here it is. Congrats for reaching 10 subscribers. When you reached 1 subscriber, I thought, wow. Someone actually subscribed to this stupid idiot with his trash content. Well, how rude. And now with 10 subs, that's more than your IQ and the people that actually like you. I'm tired of holding my iPad with one hand. Huge. Okay. You are not entertaining, and you aren't funny, and you will never ever succeed in life. I don't expect to have to write another one of these. Okay, that's the letter from YouTube. It sucked. Here is my 10 subscriber paper play button. Presented the Carter Cat 44 for passing 105 subscribe. Well, wait, no, that's 10 subscribers. Oh, I was excited for a second. I thought and there, that's the 10 subscriber play button. Very good. Okay, that's the end of this video.